Hey everyone, and welcome back to Lens Loop. For a long time, GoPro was a name synonymous with action cameras. It was the absolute top choice for action lovers and content creators alike, known for its toughness, reliability, and incredible ability to capture amazing footage anywhere. But let's be honest, recently, their new cameras haven't brought anything truly groundbreaking to the table. Fans have felt a bit underwhelmed, and other brands have been rapidly closing the gap, sometimes even surpassing them in certain areas. But what if that's all about to change? Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, something that could be the comeback GoPro desperately needs. We're talking about the upcoming, highly anticipated, and heavily rumored GoPro Hero 14 Black. This isn't just another incremental update, folks. The GoPro Hero 14 Black is rumored to bring some of the most significant upgrades we've seen in years, making it a potential game changer in the action camera world. So, if you've been contemplating getting a new GoPro, it might just be worth holding off a little longer until this powerhouse hits the market. First up, let's talk release. If you follow GoPro for a while, you'll know they have a pretty consistent launch pattern. Historically, new models are unveiled in September, and this year is expected to be no different. According to multiple sources, the GoPro Hero 14 Black will likely launch on or around September 20th, 2025. Now, for the big one, and frankly, what many fans have been begging for, the inclusion of a larger 1-inch sensor. This would be a massive leap for GoPro, which has traditionally relied more on software enhancements. A larger sensor means dramatically better overall image quality, especially in challenging low-light conditions, as well as improved dynamic range and detail. For reference, even the DJI Osmo Action 5 already features a larger sensor than current GoPro models, giving an edge in image performance. The Hero 14 Black looks poised to close that gap, and possibly even surpass it. While we aren't expecting a brand new jump to higher video resolutions, it's likely to stick with 5.3K recording. And image clarity and richness should still see a substantial improvement thanks to that new sensor. Another highly anticipated feature that may finally arrive is a larger edge-to-edge display with reinforced protection. This gives you more space to view and frame your shots while maintaining the camera's rugged nature. A redesign of the physical controls is also rumored, allowing for quicker mode switching or instant recording, which would be incredibly handy in fast-paced situations. One of the most frustrating issues with previous GoPro cameras has been overheating. This critical concern could finally be addressed with the introduction of a new processor, possibly the GP3. This new chip is rumored to offer not only better performance, but also significantly improved thermal efficiency, with talk of a built-in heat sink. This would be a huge win for continuous recording. Battery life should also see gains if the new processor is more power efficient. Expect an improved built-in microphone for clearer audio and reduced wind noise, plus enhanced voice control that works even better in noisy environments. Seamless integration with the updated GoPro app for quick file transfers, and sharing is also a given. Despite some recent stagnation, GoPro still remains one of the best choices in the action camera market. But with rising competition from brands like DJI, GoPro needs to prove once again why it's the leader in this space. The Hero 14 Black, with these rumored features, could truly be that moment of redemption. So what do you think? Will the GoPro Hero 14 Black reclaim the crown from competitors like the DJI Osmo Action? Are you excited about these rumored features, particularly the larger sensor and potential thermal improvements? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If this video helped you get a glimpse into the future of GoPro, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to Lens Loop for more honest and simple tech reviews that help you decide what's worth getting your hands on. We'll see you in the next one with more gear and gadgets you